Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, and for today's video I'm going to be doing the Boxycharm for December. But before we get into today's video, I want to give a huge thank you to Peter Monn, A, for the giveaway gift card, and B, also for the shout out. It was really nice of him and completely unexpected. I never in a million years would have thought that that would happen to me, and it did, and I am super thankful and super grateful for it. But I also want to thank everyone that has subscribed. It meant a lot to me seeing you guys watch the videos, seeing you guys comment, seeing just that subscriber, like it's meant a lot to me, and I appreciate it, and I hope you guys stick around for my videos because I've got a lot planned for 2020 and I'm just super excited about it. But yeah, I wanted to give everyone a huge a huge thank you, and to those who have subscribed from like when I was first starting out, I thank you guys as well. You guys have stuck with me and I appreciate it so much. With that being said, I'm gonna get into this video because it's gonna be unboxing time. Now I haven't opened it, and I'm hoping that my little itty bitty attempt at opening it is going to fast forward this process for us. But we shall see here. No, I wish I had my little pocket knife thingy, Swiss Army knife thingy. Why do they make these so hard to open? Oh, there we go. Aha! And yes, I did cave. This is technically my second box because I got my first one in November because I wanted to get the Celestial palette for this shadow right here. I had seen that the November one was going to have this one, and I saw that color and I knew I had to have it. I liked the teal. I saw the bigger version at Sephora, but I just didn't want to spend the money, so when I saw that was going to be in the Boxycharm, I signed up. I think it was back in February where I said I was going to stop Boxycharm, and I think I did a pretty good job. But that palette came in the Boxycharm and I caved. I signed up again, and now here I am with my second box for December. So I was close to making it almost a year. I'm not 100% sure that I'm going to keep Boxycharm, to be honest, but we're going to see how it goes for me. Anyways, we're going to open this up, or not, because apparently there's a little bit, so I thought I was done, but there's actually a little bit right here that I haven't taken off. So give me one more second here to get this done for us. There we go. Okay. We're going to open it up. Boop. This is what we've got in here. Oh. So the theme is whimsy. This is actually, and it's got the number 4 here, so I'm assuming that's the 4th variation. So let's look at what we've got in the box. Our nice little padding. Ooh, what's this? This is from Saturday Skin. It is the Waterfall Glacier Water Cream. It says, dive into hydration. Alaska Glacier Water envelopes skin with refreshing moisture. Hydrating Iceland moss extract helps to soothe dry skin while revealing radiance. Okay, this is what the package looks like. I'm going to see if I can open it. Oh, this looks very nice. And this is what it looks like. My lighting isn't too great today because of the outside, and the light's even on too, so we work with what we have. I'm still using my Boscia Cactus Water Moisturizer, but I know that my mom was needing a moisturizer, so I think I'm going to give this to her so that she can have some moisturizer. And that retails for $39. I think that Boxycharm is now $25, so already we've gotten one thing that more than meets the price for the Boxycharm. This one is from Ciate. It's the Marbled Light Illuminating Blusher. The packaging is really cute for this one, but let's see what it looks like on the inside. This is the packaging. I don't know if you guys can see it real well. And then on the inside, oh goodness, I hope it's got plastic because I don't want to dig my nails into it. Oh, pretty. It kind of reminds me of the Hourglass, like the Hourglass blushes and stuff, the way that this one looks. That's what it reminds me of. Honestly, it looks, looks like it's got fibers in there, so it kind of looks like it's a cloth. I don't think you'd be able to see it if I like try to zoom it in, but it kind of looks like it has a cloth look to it. So I don't know if it's actual cloth and then it's just the powder. Let me see, what is this? Marbled Light Illuminating Blusher. It's been mixed with super fine highlights, perfectly pinched cheeks. Huh. That's weird. So I might go ahead and try this out. By the way, when I do Boxycharms, I don't do try-ons because I don't have a good area to do the try-ons. So just to let you guys know. And that retails for $26. Okay. Let's see, what else do we have here? We have the Brow Bar True Brow Makeover Kit. Style your brows like a pro with the ultimate brow kit, designed with 2 long-wearing brow shades, brightening brow lift, sculpting mascara gel, angled brush, and a flat brow brush. Okay, let's see what this looks like. Also, it's Brow Bar by Rima? Okay. Oh, okay. Not what I expected, but this is what it looks like. So you've got your 3 little brow shades in there, and then you've got, I'm assuming this, which will set the brows, and then if you open it up, there we go. It has a little brush in there, which I don't want to like spill, but that's right there. Okay, I don't really do my brows, so I might give this to somebody that I know actually likes to do their brows. I'm not big into doing my brows. I've had the like mini benefit, I can't remember what it's called, but anyway, yeah, I'm not super big into that. So, and this retails for $30. Wow, that's pricey. That's pricey. So, yeah. Okay. I've heard of this brand. I actually got something from them a while ago. The Seraphim Botanicals. This is the Daycon Plus Streams Lip Exfoliator with radish extract. This is what it looks like. And this is a lip scrub. So I will be keeping this. I am not going to be using it at the moment because I still have my e.l.f. lipstick lip scrub that I'm using. So when I run out of that, I'll keep this on hand to use that. And this retails for $24. Okay. And then the last thing in the box. This is so cute. This is from Storybrooke Cosmetics. And this is the Fairy Tales. Oh. This is what it looks like. It's so cute. It says, once upon a time there were 3 sisters who never stopped believing in fairy tales, and they all lived happily ever after. Let's open it up here. Oh, that's nice. This is so cute looking. These are the colors. So we've got like the greens right here, and then the like brown colors right here, and then the goldish colors up top. This is so cute. I like this. I'm gonna be honest, I'm not a super big fan of the shadows, but I do like the packaging. It's so cute, and I know that they have a lot more eyeshadow palettes kind of with this book feel, so it's cute though. I like it. Just keep it for display purposes for the moment. And that retails for $35. Okay. So yeah, overall, good value. My issue with Boxycharm is that sometimes it doesn't always have things that I'm going to use. So for example, I know that this, not going to use. This I'll try because it kind of looks good for traveling. So I'll keep that, and I'm going to give the moisturizer to my mom. Not because I don't want to try this, but because I know she's right now in need of a moisturizer and might as well give her this one. This, I like the packaging. I think it's so cute, but if I'm going to be honest, I don't think that I would be using these colors a ton. So that's my only issue with Boxycharm sometimes. I actually stopped because of how many neutral palettes they were putting in their boxes, and I like a neutral palette here and there, but I am not a big neutral person in terms of like eyeshadows, so that's one of the main reasons. But yeah, like I said, I don't know if I'll be keeping Boxycharm. I kind of want to wait to see what January brings, and if I see that, again, it's other stuff that I'm not necessarily going to use, then I think at that point I will cancel. But anyways, that was this Boxycharm unboxing. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I will see you next time. Bye.